Well, Zee Entertainment has been buzzing in the past few trading sessions, and today was no exception. In fact, the stock has rallied something like 76% from its March lows. In the last 1 week, has rallied almost 20%. And even on the volume side, it has been very strong. The volumes have been more than 3 times the average volumes of the last 10 weeks. So this stock has certainly been on fire, so to speak. Now, the reason largely being is that despite the fact that the Q1 earnings have been quite a disappointment, analysts are banking on a lot of positives coming in. Firstly, the fact that ad revenue is going to pick up. We spoke with the management as well, who was very confident on the fact that ad spends have already started picking up. They're betting on the festive season and things are going to go back to normal when it comes to their ad revenues, and that in turn will bolster their overall financials because ad revenues are a key metric for Zee Entertainment. But not just that, the fact that there will be resumption of fresh programming that as things are easing down, that's going to be looked at as a key positive. And the company has already seen fairly strong market share, and that is only likely to improve. There has been a strong bounce back in their viewership with about 19.2% All India entertainment share on the last 2 weeks. So that too has been an encouraging sign. Now, the fact that Mr. R. Gopalan, who is an independent director, is going to become, come on the new, be the new board chairman, that is being looked at quite positively with that change. There are going to be 3 to 4 new board members as well joining in by FY21. That as well is being looked at as a big positive because they understand that now there will be more transparency. They have incorporated those policy changes, their investments, their treasury, related party transactions, all of that. Now approval is needed from the board, and therefore there will likely be more transparency. Their content advances, inventory breakup, and all of that is going to give a lot more clarity on their overall financials, and they said that they're going to even publish the details of their balance sheet on a quarterly basis. ZEE5's metrics, their revenue, EBITDA, all of that has been shared this quarter, and that will continue to be shared as well. So a little more clarity on the financial front is definitely being looked at quite positively. Brokerages as well continue to remain very positive on Zee Entertainment. They're saying that the company has made progress on these new disclosures. They have started providing these key numbers for ZEE5 and their quarterly balance sheet, which is a positive. So all of that is being looked at by the analyst community. They're saying that all of these changes mark the beginning of further improvements going forward. The fact that they have also launched 3 regional movie channels, the fact that ZEE5 has 3,000 movies in their library, that is being looked at quite positively. And while they have seen the impact play out in Q1, that's perhaps going to be just a flash in the pan. Things will improve. There will be fresh programming which had been stalled, now coming back on track. It's also in the news today, actually, the Singapore Government and Monetary Authority of Singapore has sold about 1% of their total holding in the company to about 5.93% for an estimated sum of about 186 crores by selling shares in the open market. But nonetheless, that didn't deter the stock, and it's been very upbeat of late.